Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious butter naan roti at home. First, combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder in a large bowl. Gradually add 1/2 cup of warm milk and 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Cover it and let it rise for at least 1 hour in a warm spot. Once your dough has risen beautifully, it's time to shape your naan. Gently punch down the dough and divide it into 8 to 10 equal-sized portions. Take each portion and roll it out on a lightly floured surface into an oval or teardrop shape. Aim for a thickness of about 1/4 inch. Remember, slightly thicker edges help create that perfect fluffy texture. This step is crucial for achieving the authentic naan look. Now for the exciting part, cooking your naan. Heat a cast iron skillet or griddle over high heat until it's smoking hot. This high temperature is key for that authentic texture. Carefully place 1 rolled naan dough onto the hot surface. You'll see bubbles forming on the surface within about 1 minute. Once those bubbles appear, flip the naan and cook the other side for another 30 to 60 seconds until it's lightly browned and cooked through. Repeat for all pieces. As soon as each naan comes off the heat, brush it generously with melted butter. This adds incredible flavor and that signature sheen. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle some fresh chopped cilantro over the buttered naan. Serve these warm, soft, and fluffy butter naan roti immediately with your favorite Indian curries, stews, or any meal that calls for a delicious, comforting bread. Enjoy the wonderful taste of homemade naan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.